Orange. Now here's our orange, and when selecting, we want to make sure that the skin is vibrant with minimal blemishes. First, we're going to top and tail our orange. And just like the grapefruit, we want to locate the pith and begin slicing around, following the orange's natural shape. As you can see, I'm placing my knife right behind the pith before I begin slicing off the peel. Lastly, we'll remove any excess pith. And there's our supremed orange. Now as you can see, each segment is located between these membranes of pith, and the membranes are essentially these white lines. So we want to angle our knife again and make clean slices beside these lines to remove only the flesh. And there's our beautiful orange segment. I'll continue to do this until there's no segments left. And with this remaining core, you can squeeze the leftover juice into a vinaigrette or a marinade. And these orange segments are perfect for salads or dessert plates.